Which mouse is actually good for photo editing? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're diving into the top options that can really make a difference in your editing experience. Product number 1, Logitech M185. First up is the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. Priced at just $13.99, this mouse caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 42,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want a reliable, no-fuss mouse that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Plus, with 1000 dpi optical tracking, you can enjoy smooth and precise movements, vital when you're color-correcting images. The compact design is great for people with limited desk space, and it's ambidextrous, so it works well for both left and right-handed users. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a choice for many. Now, some people complained about its size being too small for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a basic mouse that gets the job done, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for portability and everyday tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a casual editor or someone who just needs a mouse for basic functions. Skip this one if you need extensive features or a larger grip. For the price, you can't go wrong here. Product number 2, Nulia M501 Trackball Mouse. Next, we have the Nulia M501 Wireless Trackball Mouse. At $29.69, this rechargeable mouse is a standout for its ergonomic design. What really caught my eye is its unique thumb control, which means less strain on your wrist, a real plus for long editing sessions. The smooth trackball allows for precise tracking, ideal for making those fine adjustments in your photos. It connects to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth or USB, making switching between your laptop and desktop a breeze. Plus, it's rechargeable, which helps you avoid the hassle of changing batteries. With a rating of 4.4 stars and over 12,500 reviews, this mouse is quickly gaining popularity. However, some users have mentioned that the buttons aren't programmable. Now, for some, that could be a drawback if you're used to customizing your controls. But if you're after comfort and ease of use rather than extensive customization, this mouse still delivers. This is perfect for you if you spend long hours editing and want to reduce wrist strain. Skip this one if you need a mouse with a lot of programmable features. For $29.69, it's a solid investment in your comfort. Product number 3, Tourbox Neo. Now let's talk about the Tourbox Neo. Priced at $169, this customizable editing controller might seem pricey, but it's designed specifically for creative professionals. If you want to speed up your editing process, this is worth considering. This device allows for full customization of shortcuts, making it a game changer for photo editing. The intuitive button layout and dials make it easy to adjust colors and select images, which can be a huge time saver. With a 4.5-star rating and a growing number of fans, it's clear this device is making waves. Now, some users have noted that it can be a bit of a learning curve to set up. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency boost is impressive. It's not the best choice for someone just starting out, but for seasoned editors, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a serious photo editor looking to enhance your workflow. Skip this one if you want something simple and straightforward. For professionals, the investment in this tool can pay off quickly. Product number 4, Logitech MX Master 2S. Next up is the Logitech MX Master 2S, priced at $69.28. This mouse is a fan favorite, and I can see why. It's got an ergonomic design that feels like it was made for your hand, which is a blessing for long editing sessions. With hyper-fast scrolling and the ability to connect to up to 3 devices, this mouse really stands out in terms of versatility. It has a battery life of up to 1680 hours, so forget about frequent charges. This mouse is all about making your life easier while you edit, and with a 4.6-star rating, it's highly praised by users. However, some people have found it a bit bulky. For smaller hands, it may feel uncomfortable over time. But if you're looking for comfort and functionality, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of editing and want something comfortable and high-performing. Skip this if you have smaller hands or prefer a lighter mouse. For the features, It's a great value. Product number 5, Logitech M510. Finally, we have the Logitech M510 wireless mouse. At $27.99, this mouse is another great option from Logitech. It's designed for comfort with a contoured shape, which is essential when you're editing for hours. With a battery life of up to 24 months, you won't have to worry about changing batteries anytime soon. With 35,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's a solid choice for many. Some users, however, mention that it can be too sensitive for some tasks. Here's the thing, if you take the time to adjust the settings, you can make it work for you. It's great for those who want a reliable mouse without a high price tag. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable, budget-friendly mouse for daily editing tasks. Skip this if you need a highly specialized mouse. For under $30, it's hard to beat that value. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Logitech M185 for budget-friendly basics, the Nulia M501 for ergonomic comfort, the Tourbox Neo for professional editing efficiency, the Logitech MX Master 2S for premium performance, and the Logitech M510 for a solid all-rounder. Each mouse has its strengths, so consider what you need most in your photo editing journey.